Question 261. What tools do you find most effective for facilitating remote collaboration among distributed teams? Tools such as Miro for visual brainstorming, Slack for real-time communication, and Zoom for video conferencing are essential for remote collaboration. Additionally, project management tools like Trello or Jira help track progress and ensure transparency. Using a combination of these tools, I can create a cohesive workflow that accommodates different time zones and working styles, enhancing collaboration and productivity. Question 262. Can you describe how you would implement a CI/CD pipeline for a project involving multiple teams? Implementing a CI/CD pipeline for a multi-team project involves first establishing a shared repository and configuration management system. I would utilize tools like Jenkins or GitLab C to automate testing and deployment processes. Each team would be encouraged to contribute to the pipeline, integrating their components and ensuring that code merges are seamless. Regular cross-team stand-ups would help maintain alignment on goals and address any issues proactively, ensuring that the pipeline supports collective work effectively. Question 263. How do you approach troubleshooting in a collaborative environment, especially when issues arise across different teams? Troubleshooting in a collaborative environment requires clear communication and a structured approach. I would facilitate a joint problem-solving session, encouraging teams to share insights and observations. Utilizing diagnostic tools and logs, we would collaboratively identify the root cause of the issue. After pinpointing the problem, we would develop an action plan, assigning responsibilities and timelines. Following resolution, a retrospective session would allow us to evaluate the process and prevent future occurrences, promoting a culture of continuous improvement. Question 264. In what ways do you promote a culture of psychological safety within teams you facilitate? Promoting psychological safety involves creating an environment where team members feel comfortable expressing their thoughts without fear of judgment. I encourage open dialogue by actively soliciting input and valuing diverse perspectives. Regular check-ins and anonymous feedback mechanisms help identify concerns. Celebrating failures as learning opportunities reinforces the idea that risk-taking is welcomed. By consistently modeling vulnerability and empathy, I help embed psychological safety into the team's culture, fostering trust and collaboration. Question 265. Describe your experience with cloud platforms and how they can enhance collective work in a team. My experience with cloud platforms like AWS and Azure has shown me their transformative potential for collective work. These platforms facilitate real-time collaboration through shared resources, enabling teams to access and modify projects from anywhere. By leveraging services such as cloud storage for document sharing and containerization for development environments, teams can work concurrently without version conflicts. Additionally, cloud-native tools for monitoring and deployment streamline workflows, allowing teams to focus on innovation rather than infrastructure management. Question 266. What strategies do you employ to align diverse teams toward a common goal? To align diverse teams, I begin by facilitating a shared vision workshop, where each team articulates their objectives and concerns. Establishing common goals through collaborative exercises fosters a sense of ownership and commitment. Regular alignment meetings ensure ongoing communication and allow for adjustments as needed. I also emphasize the importance of celebrating collective achievements, which reinforces unity and motivates teams to work toward shared objectives, ultimately enhancing collaboration and productivity. Question 267. How do you handle resistance to change when introducing new collaborative processes or tools? Handling resistance to change requires a strategic approach centered on empathy and communication. I start by engaging stakeholders early in the process, soliciting their input and addressing concerns. Providing training sessions helps ease the transition and demonstrates the value of new tools or processes. Highlighting early successes creates positive momentum, reinforcing the benefits. I also establish feedback loops to gather insights and make adjustments, ensuring that the transition feels inclusive and beneficial for all team members. Question 268. Can you explain how you would facilitate a retrospective meeting for a project that faced significant challenges? Facilitating a retrospective meeting for a challenging project involves creating a safe space for open dialogue. I would use a structured format such as start, stop, continue to guide discussions. First, I'd encourage participants to share what worked well, followed by identifying barriers and challenges faced. Using collaborative tools like Miro or sticky notes can help visualize input. It's essential to focus on actionable insights rather than assigning blame. Finally, we would collectively agree on concrete steps to improve future workflows, fostering a culture of continuous learning. Question 269. What role does empathy play in your approach as a collective work facilitator? Empathy is fundamental in my approach as a collective work facilitator. It allows me to understand team members' perspectives, fostering trust and connection. By actively listening and validating feelings, I can address concerns effectively and create an inclusive environment. Empathy also helps in conflict resolution, as it encourages collaborative problem-solving rather than adversarial stances. Ultimately, by prioritizing empathy, I promote a culture that values diverse viewpoints, enhancing collaboration and leading to more innovative outcomes. Question 270. Describe your experience with using agile methodologies in facilitating team collaboration. In my experience, agile methodologies provide a framework that enhances team collaboration through iterative processes and adaptive planning. I facilitate agile ceremonies, such as daily stand-ups and sprint retrospectives, to ensure transparency and continuous feedback. By emphasizing cross-functional collaboration, teams can quickly respond to changes and align their efforts. I also encourage utilizing agile tools like Jira for task management to foster accountability and visibility. This approach not only improves communication, but also accelerates project delivery, ensuring alignment with stakeholder needs. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive. Introducing CloudRoar Cost Optimization, your unified platform for smarter cloud spending across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Cloud costs can grow silently, but CloudRoar gives you full visibility and control. Our engine continuously analyzes usage patterns, instance sizing, and idle resources to uncover hidden savings. With intelligent recommendations powered by real-time data, CloudRoar helps you right-size resources, eliminate waste, and maximize return on every dollar spent in the cloud. Get detailed reports, actionable cost insights, and automation that ensures continuous optimization without compromising performance. Optimize confidently, scale efficiently, and make every cloud dollar count with CloudRoar Cost Optimization. Efficiency meets intelligence. Welcome to CloudRoar CSPM, your intelligent cloud security posture management platform. In today's hybrid and multi-cloud world, Maintaining visibility and control across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud can be complex. CloudRoar CSPM simplifies that by continuously scanning all your cloud accounts, configurations, and workloads. Our platform automatically detects misconfigurations, compliance violations, and potential security risks before they become incidents. CloudRoar CSPM provides clear, actionable insights mapped to major frameworks like CIS, NIST, and ISO standards, helping your teams remediate faster and stay audit-ready at all times. Strengthen your security posture, achieve continuous compliance, and take control of your multi-cloud environment with CloudRoar CSPM, security that's smart, scalable, and proactive.